Welcome, I'm Anniek Jansen and I'm presenting the research Wizard of Errors, introducing and evaluating machine learning errors in Wizard of All studies that I did together with Sara Colombo. How would you react if your recommendations on YouTube were completely off? It might be annoying, but imagine what could happen if an app for recognizing skin cancers misses the spot that is cancer. Machine learning errors can have severe influences on the user experience, but are rarely considered during Wizard of All studies and are hard to make as they are unlike human errors. In our paper, we introduce Wizard of Errors, a tool for conducting Wizard of All studies on machine learning-enabled solutions that allows simulating machine learning errors. In the interface, we use 4 types of errors: a segmentation error, a similarity error, a wild error, and a no recognition error. These error types are inspired by Bot and Laviola. The interface works as follows. Before the study, the wizard designer, someone making the predictions behind the screen, creates an error repository that contains the different types of prediction for all 4 error types. Next, in the setup, the error repository is selected and a target accuracy score is set as guideline. During the study itself, the wizard first selects the ground truth. Next, he sets a confidence score for the prediction and finally chooses which prediction option to send. We evaluated the interface with 10 design students. They were asked to simulate the behavior of a smart countertop, e.g. recognizing the ingredients placed in the bowls. The ingredients were visible in a video on the webpage. Our preliminary results show that the interface was effective in encouraging participants to make machine learning errors. Their final accuracy score was close to the target accuracy scores they set beforehand. However, it also became apparent that wizard designers are not able to ignore their human rationale when making predictions. They considered logical errors from a human point of view easier to make. They projected their personal knowledge on the model. They gave higher confidence scores for correct predictions, and they expected the model to be aware of making errors. These insights can be used when setting up Wizard of All studies, for example, by automating and recommending which error to make. Future studies should be conducted to test the interface and machine learning errors with real users and a more diverse sample. Thank you for listening, and please read our paper for more information.